But let me be clear, DeFi, like any investment, comes with risks. It's a new technology and there are vulnerabilities. But that's why you don't go at it all alone. Education is the key, and that's why we're here, to help you guide through the noise and give you the tools you need to make informed decisions. But there's always a but. With this space still evolving, not every platform is trustworthy. Choose the wrong one and you may end up with tokens that have absolutely no value. Most investors haven't even caught on to real-world asset tokenization just yet. But by the time they do, early adopters could already be sitting on massive gains. So if you're serious about tapping into this game-changing strategy, here are a few steps that can help you do that. Number 1, choose a reputable platform. Start with platforms like Realty for tokenized real estate or Securitize for private equity. These platforms have built a strong reputation in the tokenization space. If you decide to go with Realty, you'll be met with a homepage that looks something like this. Once you see it, you'll know you're in the right place. Number 2, create an account. Sign up, verify your identity, and link your crypto wallet to the platform. Number 3, browse and invest. Explore available tokenized assets, review the investment details, and decide how much you want to invest. Number 4, earn and monitor. Once you're invested, you'll start earning returns, like rental income or dividends. Keep track of your portfolio's growth and adjust as needed. And that's real-world asset tokenization for you. The bottom line is this: 2025 is shaping up to be the year DeFi becomes the #1 investment opportunity. It's growing faster than any other financial sector, and the potential upside is enormous. But the biggest gains? Well, they always go with those who act before the rest of the world catches on. So the only question left is, will you be one of them? Now, while this video is a great start, if you're serious about positioning yourself ahead of the curve and tapping into DeFi before it goes mainstream, I've got something special for you. We've created a free training that walks you through everything you need to know about DeFi. Not just one investment strategy, but the entire methodology behind unlocking market-beating returns in DeFi. You'll learn how to get started, how to protect your investments, and most importantly, how to maximize your profits in this emerging space. This training is designed to give you real, actionable strategies that can help you build and secure your financial future. Strategies that are already being used by the top 1% of investors in the world. To access the free training, just click the link at the very top of the description of this video. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Make sure you're on the right side of history. And until next time, I'll see you on the other side. Take care.